Structural Analysis. Part 1. Previously asked questions. In Civil Engineering Exams. Presented by Commission Corner. Like, share and subscribe. Question No. 01. If in a pin-jointed plane frame, M plus R, 2J, then the frame is stable and statically determinate, stable and statically indeterminate, unstable. None of the above. Answer, option B. Question No. 02. Principle of superposition is applicable when deflections are linear functions of applied forces. Material obeys Hooke's law. The action of applied forces will be affected by small deformations of the structure. None of the above. Answer, option A. Question No. 03. The Castigliano's second theorem can be used to compute deflections in statically determinate structures only. For any type of structure. At the point under the load only. For beams and frames only. Answer, option B. Question No. 04. When a uniformly distributed load, longer than the span of the girder, moves from left to right, then the maximum bending moment at midsection of span occurs when the uniformly distributed load occupies less than the left half span, whole of left half span, more than the left half span, whole span. Answer, option D. Question No. 05. For stable structures, one of the important properties of flexibility and stiffness matrices is that the elements on the main diagonal of a stiffness matrix must be positive, of a stiffness matrix must be negative, of a flexibility matrix must be positive, of a flexibility matrix must be negative. The correct answer is I, and 3, 2, and 3, C, I, and 4, D, 2, and 4. Answer, option A. Question No. 06. When a load crosses a through-type Pratt truss in the direction left to right, the nature of force in any diagonal member in the left half of the span would A. Change from compression to tension, B. Change from tension to compression. Always be compression. Always be tension. Answer, option A. Question No. 07. Which of the following methods of structural analysis is a force method? A. Slope deflection method, B. Column analogy method, moment distribution method. None of the above. Answer, option B. Question No. 08. Which of the following is not the displacement method? Equilibrium method, column analogy method, moment distribution method, Connie's method. Answer, option B. Question No. 09. For a two-hinged arch, if one of the supports settles down vertically, then the horizontal thrust is increased, is decreased, remains unchanged, becomes zero. Answer, option C. Question number 10. The deflection at any point of a perfect frame can be obtained by applying a unit load at the joint in vertical direction, horizontal direction, inclined direction. The direction in which the deflection is required. Answer, option D. Question number 11. The principle of virtual work can be applied to elastic system by considering the virtual work of internal forces only, external forces only, internal as well as external forces. None of the above. Answer, option C. Question number 12. If in a rigid jointed space frame, 6M plus R, 6J, then the frame is unstable, stable and statically determinate, stable and statically indeterminate. None of the above. Answer, option A. Question number 13. The three moments equation is applicable only when the beam is prismatic. There is no settlement of supports. There is no discontinuity such as hinges within the span. The spans are equal. Answer, option C. Question number 14. Which of the following methods of structural analysis is a displacement method? Moment distribution method, column analogy method, C, three-moment equation, D, none of the above. Answer, option A. Question number 15. The fixed support in a real beam becomes in the conjugate beam A. Roller support, hinged support, fixed support, D, free end. Answer, option D. Question number 16. For a symmetrical two-hinged parabolic arch, if one of the supports settles horizontally, then the horizontal thrust is increased, is decreased, remains unchanged, becomes zero. Answer, option B. Question number 17. To generate the JTH column of the flexibility matrix, A unit force is applied at coordinate J and the displacements are calculated at all coordinates. B, a unit displacement is applied at coordinate J and the forces are calculated at all coordinates. C, a unit force is applied at coordinate J and the forces are calculated at all coordinates. D, coordinates. Answer, option A. Question number 18. A load W maximum bending moment at 0.41 from the left support is 0.16 WL, 0.20 WL, 0.24 WL, 0.25 WL. Answer, option C. Question number 19. In the displacement method of structural analysis, the basic unknowns are displacements, force, displacements and forces. None of the above. Answer, option A. Question number 20. A rigid jointed plane frame is stable and statically determinative. M plus R equals 2J. M plus R equals 3J. 3M plus R equals 3J. M plus 3R equals 3J. Where M is number of members, R is reaction components and J is number of joints. Answer, option C. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel Commission Corner for more exam-oriented series and knowledge. Thank you.